Hello everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add your webcam to OBS Studio and configure the resolution and FPS. Let's get started. First, open OBS Studio. In the Sources box, click the plus icon. Select Video Capture Device. Now you'll see two options. You can create a new source or add an existing one if you've used the webcam before. For me, I will choose to create new one, give it a name like webcam, and click OK. In the next window, you'll see your webcam preview. Now let's configure the settings. Under Resolution, FPS Type, choose Custom. Set the resolution. For example, 1280 by 720. Set the FPS. You can pick 30 or 60, depending on your needs and camera support. Once you're done, click OK. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.